If you have an LG French door fridge similar to this unit that matches one of these model numbers and the door flipper front plates springs broke off, I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace this, saving you an expensive appliance repair bill. The hardest part of this whole thing was actually finding the correct part number we needed for this. The only tools you'll need for this repair is a Phillips head screwdriver and a rubber mallet. Taking the screwdriver, you're going to remove these two screws right here. With the screws out of the way, move this plate out of the way, being careful as you may need to unplug this wire harness. As you can see, mine was completely cut off. Looks like you press this right here and then it comes right out. With the screws removed and the harness disconnected, you're going to remove the old broken flipper plate by sliding up toward your ceiling. If you have not already done so, unpack your new flipper plate and remove all the packaging material. Take the wire harness and connect the two quick connector ends together. Slide the flipper plate back into the tracks. You may need to use a rubber mallet to gently slide the flipper plate back into place. Once the two screw holes align with the door, put the screws back in. Make sure not to over-tighten the screws. That's it. Your fridge's door is back to like new condition. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know that may be having this issue. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Very nice.